Good morning, class. Thanks for having me back. Today we're going to learn items around the house. Are you ready? Let's go. Sea. That means chair. Sea. Chair. Te pile. That means table. Te pile. Table. Mohenga. That means bed. Mohenga. Bed. Ipu. That means cup. Ipu. Cup. Beleti. That means plate. Beleti. Plate. Gafu. That means blanket. Gafu. Blanket. Aisi. That means fridge. Aisi. Fridge. Veve. That means trash. Veve. Trash. Tuhulu or gasa. They both mean torch. Tuhulu or gasa. Torch. Telefoni. That means phone. Telefoni. Phone. Helu. That means comb. Helu. Comb. Falemalolo. That means toilet. Falemalolo. Toilet. Vacuume. That means vacuum. Vacuume. Vacuum. Ovani. That means oven. Ovani. Oven. Misini fo. That means washing machine. Misini fo. Washing machine. Well, that was fun, class. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And thank you, Miss Ioane, for the invite. Give yourselves a round of applause.